how rice is being cleaned in a village. Then we will see how some other grains are being cleaned in a factory. Okay, ready? Ranveer, your screen is here. Sit straight. Thanks. Ready? Here we start. We saw this how they were cutting, no? The previous one of the videos that we were watching, we saw how they were cutting. See how much effort it takes to just bring out rice. And rice is a staple food for us, no? As Indians, we eat a lot of rice. Why? Because rice is extensively grown around this side of the world. Exactly why you need to respect. Wow, कितना beautifully उसने cut करके layout किया है. See sorting. See 5S principle. He's done the sorting. Yes or no? कितने neatly उसने sort out कर दिया उसको, पूरा निकाल के उसको sort कर दिया. He has to carefully take them. ज़्यादा कुछ, if he just shakes it up, the corns will start coming out. He has to carefully take them.
Mana my piano se Shaita.
So, कैसा रहा? इंटरेस्टिंग. देखने को तो बहुत ही सिंपल था, बट इट ऑलमोस्ट टेक्स सो मेनी डेज टू कंप्लीट दैट. इतना बड़ा सा फील्ड, उसको पूरा कटिंग करके निकालो, then carry it from the farm back to the village, put it into that machine, it will clean out the rice, and then pack it into little bags, and then transport it. Oh, ho, 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 ho. So much, so much. Now let's watch one more video. Now this is how it will be done in a factory. Okay, let's see how that gets done. This is how it is going to be done in a factory. Just give me a moment. I'll take a couple of minutes. Give me a moment. Ranveer, 1 minute, please wait. Where is that video of mine? Wait, let me just get that video ready. Okay. Yes, Ranveer, tell me. Leave that bottle aside, no? Huh?
Ma'am, I wanted to say that in a factory it will be much more easier than how the people do it in a village.
Yeah, what will happen in a factory? It will all be automized. इतना ज़्यादा human intervention नहीं रहेगा. Factories are built so human intervention can be lesser. Things will start getting automized. मतलब automatically from one step to the other, second step to the third to fourth, ऐसे चलते जाएगा. Remember, you have seen it in the pasteurization process in chemistry. I remember you all saw that video long ago. Yeah, how it is being done in a factory. दूध सीधे गाय से निकल के सीधे पैकेट में होके तुम्हारे घर में आ जाता है. Now that's what happens in a factory. That's why you have factories, right? Now let's watch one more video. Let's watch one more video. You all can see it now? Yeah. So, how was that? My first question will be, how many humans did you see around in the factory? 1?
15.
I saw about 3, 4. I think I saw about 3, 4. 1, okay. 15, you saw 15. I didn't see 15, Re Baba. 15 people and all were not there.
Oh, 15. No, I saw 4, 5.
4 or 5 people, no? Yeah, maybe like that only. And when you were seeing it in the village, how many people were there?
Around 10.
Around 10, 15 people were there when we saw it around the village, and one machine, right? So, understand what I'm going to tell you. When there is no automation, more humans are required to do the job, right? What did you see in a village? One machine and 10, 15 people. So, जब automation कम रहता है, humans ज़्यादा लगते हैं, okay? जब फैक्ट्री में सामान आ जाता है, okay? Huge factory, और तुमने देखा कि पैकेट्स एंड पैकेट्स ऐसे स्टैक हो रहे थे, right? He was literally just taking, ultimately that man was there only to put a label on it and take it and put it in one corner, right? The rest of that entire process was automation. हाँ कि नहीं? Yes or no? So, when you have a factory, you have larger quantity, एक ही साथ ज़्यादा बनता है, right? And lesser people to take care of it. People don't have to think too much. You put the brains into the machine. अब machine अपना काम करते जाएगा. Correct? Correct? Yes or no? So what do you think was better? The one that we saw in the village or the one that we saw in the factory? Which is better? Factory. On what grounds is it better? Mass production. Mass production मतलब production in large scale. बहुत ज़्यादा जब produce करना है and बहुत ज़्यादा सामान को जब हमें raw product से finished product में निकालना है. What we saw in the farm was raw product. Yes? What you saw in the farm was a raw product. It will become a finished product only when it goes to that machine and gets cleaned up and comes out into the bag. Correct? So when you need to do huge amount of production from raw product to finished product, factories are better. Correct? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Or are you still asleep somewhere, lost in your dreams, with your eyes open?
No, ma'am, I'm understanding.
No, I'm asking Subhan also. Subhan is like, क्या बोला? कुछ बोला क्या? ऐसे लग रहा है. हाँ? Okay. Subhan, did you understand what I was saying?
Yes.
So when you have mass production requirement, factories are a lot better. Correct? Yes, Ranveer, what do you have to say? Wait, Vihan, I'm coming to you.
I wanted to say that when they're doing it in the fields, no, they even do when they're doing it on the exercise, नहीं हो जाता है.
Exercise वही हो जाता है. But one more important thing is, when they are doing it in the fields, more and more humans are getting a job. Okay? When they are doing it in a village, more and more humans are getting a job. Factory में क्या हो जाता है? Human intervention is much lesser. Right? Yes or no? Yes, Vihan, what are you telling me?
Job.
Yes.
And for this time, we did rice and fish farming.
That's right. Yes. But today is not geography class.
Oh.
Today is about learning how farming is done in a village and in a factory. Sorry, not farming. How the rice is taken out of those plants, how it is done in a village and how it is done in a factory. Okay, chalo. इसी बात पे some different information you all got to know today. इसी बात पे let's take a break. Time up for a snack break. Chalo, chalo. Wash your hands, wash your face, and then snack break. Wash your hands, wash your face, then snacks.